everybody, welcome to Glam Shades. This is Subhashri and here I am to test and review makeup products so that you can decide whether you want to buy it or not. And this time the product that we have in here is the Olay Total Effects BB Cream right here with us. So as you all know, I love playing and wearing makeup, but sometimes I do like something simple and natural. Using primer, foundation and concealer can sometimes be really tiring. And that's why we need something that can do all these things together. And that's why we have this Olay 7-in-1 Effects BB Cream. Olay being one of the best brands for skincare, this BB cream is also promising and it does that it provides you with the nourishing agents. Not just this, it is suitable for all skin types and seasons. So without a further ado, let's get into it. So guys, let's start with unboxing of this product. It's a beautiful box, I would say. And when you open it, बहुत ही प्यारा सा bottle है, I would say. The cream body and then the top part of it is black and this is a pump lid actually and बहुत ही अच्छा contrast दे रहा है ये product को. सबसे खास बात मुझे ये लगी कि इसमें सारे letters जो हैं it is written in golden color. That adds a bit of luxury to this entire product and I would say I would definitely buy it if I see this. Well, gone are the days जब हम सब depend करते थे foundation or base पे to get that perfect look. Now we all don't need to depend on the primer, concealer, foundation all the time. You can actually choose and use our own BB cream by Olay. Well, when you're choosing between these two, there are several factors जो depend करता है whether to choose this one or that. So, जो पहला factor है जिस पे हम depend करते हैं is coverage. If you're looking for something जो full coverage दे और आपकी dark spots और blemishes को पूरी तरह से ढक दे, then you should definitely go for foundation. But if you want to go for something sheer, natural and light, BB cream is something that you can trust upon. Talking about skincare benefits, BB cream is one of the best one to look out for because इसमें है काफी सारे skincare nutrients like vitamin A, C and E जो कि एक anti-aging agent से काम करते हैं. Not just this, it also has a lot of minerals जिसकी वजह से आपको मिलेगा hydration and skincare protection along with sun protection as well. But अगर हम बात करें इसके बारे में यानी कि फाउंडेशन के बारे में ये सारे बेनिफिट्स आपको नहीं मिलेंगे. It only provides you with a smoother glow. So if you are looking for something जो आपकी स्किन को enrich करे, then you should definitely go for Olay BB cream. If you are someone who doesn't really have much time for makeup और आपको फिर भी makeup लगाना है but ज़्यादा नहीं दिखना चाहिए, then you should definitely go for the Olay BB cream. Well, the reason why I really like BB cream is because it saves your time as well as money. And ये एक साथ आपकी primer, concealer और foundation जैसे काम भी करता है. तो यानी कि अगर आप कहीं travel कर रहे हैं, this is something which is totally travel friendly and you can carry it without any doubt. Well guys, now let's talk about how to apply it. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is use this pump nozzle. थोड़ा सा इसे press करें तो you'll get a pinch amount of it right on your hand. Then all you have to do is you have to take it to your fingertips and apply it on all the portions of your face and then blend it in with a brush or you can use your fingertips. Not just this, if you want to go for a moisturizer, if you have a dry skin, you should definitely apply a moisturizer before that. And although इसमें sun protection है, I would still recommend you guys to use an SPF product before using this. Well guys, I think this BB cream is extremely easy to work with and if you're going for a day out or you're just having that time wherein you really don't want to apply a lot of makeup, this cream exactly does the task. It is very lightweight and it lasts for a very long time. I have applied it on my skin and it has been more than 7 hours और काफी अच्छा look है अभी भी. And I would suggest अगर आप वो हैं जिनको makeup करना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है and you're a newcomer, you should definitely rely on this product. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video and check this space for more videos regarding makeup and beauty.